Good morning, students, and welcome back to yet another class. In the previous class, we were discussing about the syllabus which is prescribed for first PU. Okay, so in total we have 5 units. Okay, that is 1 to 5 units, and 1 to 4 units we have already discussed in the previous class. Okay, and the fifth unit that we will get familiar today. Okay, so unit 5, that is human physiology. Okay, and here in this fifth unit, that human physiology, we have 7 chapters. Okay, let us see one by one. So first one, that is digestion and absorption. The first chapter in the fifth unit is digestion and absorption. Okay, and the second unit is about the breathing and exchange of gases. Breathing and exchange of gases. And the third chapter is about the body fluids and circulation. Body fluids and circulation. Okay, and the fourth chapter is about excretory products and their elimination. Excretory products and their elimination. Fine. And the next chapter is about the locomotion and movement. Locomotion and movement. And the sixth chapter is about the neural control and coordination. Okay, and the seventh chapter is about the chemical coordination and integration. Fine. So this is about the fifth unit, that is human physiology. Physiology means the study of functions of living organisms, isn't it? Various functions takes place in the body of living organisms. Okay, and the study of those functions which takes place in a living organism is called as a physiology. Okay, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶರೀರಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಜೀವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳು ನಡೀತದೆ, ಆ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಫಿಸಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಫಿಸಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ the various functions which takes place in human beings. That is what we are going to discuss in this unit, that is fifth unit. Fine. And the various chapters in this unit are like this. First one, The first chapter, that is regarding digestion and absorption. You see, we consume food, and food is very much essential for survival, and this food which is in the form of complex organic compounds, and these compounds have to be broken down into simpler compounds so that the body can get the nutrients from it. So that the process of breakdown of the complex compounds or food products into the simpler one is known as a digestion. Okay, and it is one of the important function in a human body, isn't it? In a human beings, isn't it? So and next, once these what is that compounds broken down into simpler one, and nutrients will be absorbed from that simpler compounds. So that is what we learn about here in digestion and absorption. Okay, how digestion takes place, and what is the digestive system. Okay, and all that we will discuss here in this chapter. Okay, that is digestion and absorption. And the next one is breathing and exchange of gases. So all living organisms breathe. Okay, breathing is nothing but inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. Okay, so ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ನಮಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಉಸಿರಾಟದ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮಹತ್ವವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಜೀವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, isn't it? So we will discuss about this breathing and that is exchange of gases. That is this oxygen will be taken from the atmosphere and carbon dioxide will be released from the body. So that is exchange of gases takes place in our body. So we will discuss in detail about this breathing, okay, and the exchange of gases in this chapter. Okay, and after that we have this body fluids and circulation. Okay, our body is made up of so many fluids. That is, the blood is one of the important fluid, and this blood plays a very important role in transporting the various essential things into our body to various tissues and organs, and likewise it also play important role in removing the unwanted things from various tissues and organs out of the body. You see, that is what we will discuss here in this chapter, that is body fluids and circulation. Okay, fine. Next thing is the fourth chapter is about excretory products and their elimination. You see, in our body daily so many unwanted or harmful things will be produced. Say for example, urea, ammonia, uric acid, carbon dioxide and all that, and these harmful products has to be removed from our body. So that is what we learn here in this excretory products. That is the products, unwanted products or harmful products which are there in our body, and their elimination. Elimination means removal, isn't it? Usually urea is one of the urine is one of the important this unwanted or harmful product produced in our body, and how urine formation takes place and how it is eliminated or removed from our body and all that, and this excretory system. Okay, what are the organs involved in this excretion? In the detail we will study about all these things in this chapter, that is excretory products and their elimination. Okay, and the next chapter is about the locomotion and movement. Okay, you see here we move our various parts of our bodies and all that, eyelids and jaw, ದವಡೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಕಣ್ಣು ರೆಪ್ಪೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಕೈ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು, ವಿ ಮೂವ್ okay, and how that movement takes place, isn't it? And what are the organs responsible for this movement of our different organs and body parts and all that. We will discuss in detail about here in this locomotion and movement. This is also one of the important chapter, okay, in the human physiology. Okay, fine. Next one is neural control and coordination. You see, all our activities are controlled by nervous system. So nervous system plays important role in controlling and coordinating all the activities in our body. So we will discuss here about the nervous system, its structure, okay, and how the impulses are carried or forwarded, okay, how this things are received and all that we will discuss in this neural control and coordination, okay, that is regarding the nervous system. Okay, next one is a chemical coordination and integration. Apart from this nervous system, various chemicals, hormones are also involved in this process of receiving the what is that signals and responding them in a proper way. Okay, so regarding all those things we will discuss here in this chemical coordination and integration. So this is about the fifth unit, that is human physiology. So this is all about the syllabus of the first PUC, that is we have 5 units, okay, and 22 chapters. Okay, so today we will we conclude here, and tomorrow we will begin with the first chapter, that is the living world. Okay, so thank you.